ready? Gears ready?
Oh shit! Woo!
I figured while my car's warming up, I can show you. This is the battery that came on the car or on my bike stock, and I'm having issues with it trying to turn over. My bolts came in for my control arms. They were stripping, so I didn't get to replace my front upper control arms. Now that I got these in, I'm going to be able to put the aftermarket ones on so I can fix the camber. And I also ordered a Shore Eye battery. I paid with 3 years warranty. It was a total of $200. And that's pretty expensive, but this battery is tiny, it's light, and it's powerful. My other batteries have been draining, so I figure it's worth the money to just go $200. I'm covered for 3 years, and it's lightweight and powerful, so there should be no going wrong with that. I got some time right now, so I might as well replace the old battery with my new Shore Eye battery. This is all you need. Let me use this to take my seat off, and then we'll use this to disconnect the battery. Now that the seat is off, you can see how badly I actually wrapped it. Didn't do a very good job. But anyway, and it's a clusterfuck here of wires, but I'm gonna just go ahead and take that one out. So this is the size comparison. This is my new one, my old one. So there's not really much difference. And this way they're exactly the same. Or actually, this new one's literally like a centimeter thinner. So they're basically the same size. What is cool though is these have this little bar down there. That little bar has thread, which is what the bolt threads onto. But these, the bracket itself is threaded, which is going to help a lot with the negative side, because the negative side is up against this, and sometimes that little bar likes to slide out of place, so you got to hold it while it's all cramped in there and trying to align the bolt. So it can be a hassle. Hopefully this one's going to be easier. Also, one thing I forgot to mention with giving the specs, the weight. I can't really give, I want to say this one's like 8-10 pounds. This one's like 3 pounds. This one says ultra light, 1/5 the weight of lead acid batteries on average. So I'm not giving you exact weights, but it's pretty light. Okay, I got the new battery in and wired up. Old battery's out here. We're gonna test it, see if it, oh, we don't even get power. What just happened? I don't have power. It's connected. I make sure I tightened it down. Both power is on. What's going on? Okay, so I fucked up. I didn't realize these markings were on the battery. Well, I had seen them, but only when it was like this. So I had thrown the battery in like this. How that one was, with the positive on the wrong side, and it ended up shorting my bike. So neither battery is getting it to have power now. So I don't know anything about electronics. I must have fried something. So now I gotta take it somewhere to get fixed. Stay tuned. I put the bike back together already, but I forgot to mention, if anybody knows what actually, goes wrong when you do that, please comment down below or give me some sort of hint what I need to do to be able to get my bike up and running again. Thanks. Okay, I think this is going to be the last update just for this video. I took off this fairing and I checked the fuses that were under here. None of them seemed to be blown. I did read a form that said there was another fuse box under here, but I literally don't see where that could be. This is my little, where my battery thing goes. And my trunk is in here, my tiny trunk. I don't see where a fuse box could be. So this is the next day update. I found the main fuse. It's this little red thing in there. If you pull this black thing back, you can actually see it says fuse 30, which is this little replacement fuse here. So, but it's really hard to get off, so I'm gonna use these to try and take it off, unless you want to give it a shot real quick.
Yeah, let's give it a shot. Go.
So Eddie got it off looking effortlessly. You can see it's blown, so they gave me the replacement there. Hopefully it's as easy as just taking this out and putting the new one in. Blown fuse, not blown. New fuse is in. Now we're just gonna plug this back together, and then I'm gonna replace the new battery correctly this time, now that I have the seat off and everything. Oh, we got power. It said it's only 70% charged when they ship it. So I drove the bike around yesterday a little bit, so the battery should be fully charged. This is really the first legit cold start with this new battery. So let's see how it turns over. That's alright. It's alright for a cold start. Heard motherfuckers talk, seen them drop. If I ain't got a weapon, I'ma pick up a rock. When I bust your ass, I'm gonna continue to rock. Get your hands off the wall with your 2 left feet.
fucking first gear pull. Whoa. Holy shit. I am recording. Awesome.